Yeah.
William, what's going on, man?
Good, thank you.
What are you doing right now?
Probably jumping out of a plane.
Probably?
Hopefully.
Well, I hope so too, man. We're going up, that's for sure. So, why are you doing this right now?
While in Vegas, have to do a jump.
All right, so just while out because you're here in Vegas, and why not?
Yeah.
What do you think is going to be your favorite part about this whole thing, man?
Probably the free fall.
Yeah.
Heard that's the best bit, and yeah, pretty amazing stuff.
Yeah, I'm betting you're going to like the parachute ride too.
No,
let's go up there and have a good time. When we get back down, we're going to talk about it, all right?
All right,
let's do this. All right, buddy.
That was fucking amazing.
Yeah, you just threw yourself out of a perfectly good airplane, man.
That's insane.
What do you think?
Best feeling in my life.
Really?
Yeah. Nothing compares to it.
Yeah. This is, how would you describe that?
I don't think I ever can.
Yeah.
It's just,
you have to try it.
So amazing, yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The free fall was pretty amazing, and then the zero gravity thing was just out of this world.
Yeah. You gonna do it again?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Congratulations,
Thank you very much,
man.
mate.